Well, the Virginia Healthcare Foundation was started 27 years ago by the General Assembly and its Joint Commission on Healthcare. Our mission is to increase access to primary health care for uninsured and medically underserved Virginians.
For the past 25 years, the Virginia Association of Free and Charitable Clinics has served free clinics across the Commonwealth with their technical needs and educational and training needs.
Virginia Community Healthcare Association is the state organization that represents all the community health centers throughout Virginia. I tell people all the time, if you want to understand who we are and what we do, go sit in a waiting room of a community health center and get to know the patients who come and listen to their stories. They'll tell you that, they have difficulty getting to their medical appointments. So without the transportation provided by the health center, they wouldn't be able to make it.
So the Federation of Virginia Food Banks is the state association of Feeding America food banks serving Virginia. Our 7 members are kind of the large-scale distributors of emergency food for nearly 2,000 community agencies in every locality throughout Virginia.
I had the great pleasure of visiting one of our clinics, and while I was waiting for the executive director of the clinic, the receptionist happened to introduce me to a patient who was also in the waiting room waiting for his provider. And he told me how he has diabetes and how the clinic changed his life by helping him with his diabetes. And he had tears in his eyes and he made me cry because he was absolutely so appreciative of what that clinic did. And they didn't judge him, they didn't care that he didn't have insurance or that he didn't have money to pay. He was so grateful.
This gift that we are receiving from Sentara and Optima Health will enable us to put more behavioral health providers out in the field in those primary medical care practices of the healthcare safety net.
For a long time now, our food banks have been thinking about how they can work better with the healthcare sector to improve the health outcomes of the people they serve, because we know that nutrition and diet is so fundamental to someone's health and well-being.
This is a great opportunity. We're right in the midst of a transition point in healthcare in Virginia with the opportunity for Medicaid eligibility expansion.
We're grateful and proud of Sentara and Optima Health's confidence in the Virginia Healthcare Foundation and the work we do.
This gift from Sentara and Optima is humbling and inspiring, and this is an incredibly generous demonstration of the company's shared commitment to those patients and, again, to what our healthcare professionals are doing every single day.